Okay, Nikita has calculated the final answer. So for other students, I may have to write on the board once again. That will be critical job once again to me. Okay, but I will do it. Vs is equal to 418 into bracket SS minus 1 into D square for D2 is equal to 0.02 mm. Okay. Now, Vs is equal to 418 into bracket 2.65 minus 1 into 0.02 bracket square. Now, Vs is equal to, you have calculated value of Vs as 0.276 in mm per second. Then value of Vs in 0.0276 is in centimeter per second. Okay. Vs is equal to, no, not it is calculated now. Now what we have to find out, percentage of settled particles. Okay. Now say percentage of settled particles for D2 is equal to 0.02 mm. Okay. Now here we can by equal to settling velocity of particle upon the settling velocity of tank. Okay. Now we can write down here is equal to settling velocity of the particle for diameter 0.02 mm is 0.0276 upon settling velocity of tank is 0.111 into 100. So here 100 as well as here also 100. Okay, is equal to, what is the answer? Many of you have calculated 24.86 percentage. So only the 24.86 percentage of the particles will be settled down in the existing design of the particle, the existing design of the sedimentation tank, when the particle size is equal to or greater than 0.02 mm diameter. आणि त्याच्यापेक्षा लहान असतील तर there will be a different percentage. Understood how to find out this? I hope understood. If not, just ask me. If you understood, please let me know. कोणाला काही क्वेश्चन नसेल तर मी अजून एक एक्झाम्पल घेते ह्याच्यावरती. Copied? Have you copied, guys? May I erase it? If you have copied, I will erase. I will assume that because you people are not talking, I will assume that you have finished and then I will give you another problem. Shall I give you? Okay, write down. Same types, one problem. Yourself you can solve and tell me the answers only. I will note down the answers only. Okay? Everybody must solve. I may ask anybody. Then write down, guys. A settling tank is designed for an overflow rate of 5,500 liter per meter square per hour. Settling tank is designed for an overflow rate of 5,500 liter per meter square per hour. What percentage of diameter? What percentage of diameter? A 0.045 mm and 0.03 mm will be removed in this tank. Will be removed in this tank at 25 degrees Celsius temperature. At 25 degrees Celsius temperature. Okay, your time starts now. Solve this example, please. And everybody can drop a message. I want to check how many of you are solving. Even you can drop me a message, not to everyone. You can select in that everyone column tab. You can select only 2. So that way also you can drop message to me. I will check. Please start solving first. What is the given data, guys? Tell me. That page I cannot open simultaneously, from which I have given to you the question. Given data, tell me, guys. What is given to you? Overflow rate. Overflow rate किती दिलेला आहे? किती दिलेला आहे? बोलेल का कोणीतरी? किती दिलेला आहे ओव्हरफ्लो रेट? स्पीक आउट. मला मेसेज चेक करून इकडे लिहिता येणं थोडं अवघड जाते.
5500.
5500 मीटर, सॉरी लीटर ना? Liter per meter square per hour na?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then what else is given to you? D1 is given to you?
Yes, ma'am. D1 0.045.
045 mm. And D2
0.0.
0.03 mm. Okay. Then temperature T is given to you?
25 degrees Celsius.
25 degrees Celsius. Now, what is we need to find out first? First value of Q we will find out. Q is equal to 5500 liter per meter square per hour. So that way we can write 5000. That way we can write 5500 meter into 10 raised to minus 3 upon 3600 in meter cube per meter square per hour. Okay, so Vs is equal to Q by A is equal to 5500 into 10 raised to minus 3 अपॉन माझ्या सोबत लिहिणार आहेत ना आता ज्यांनी अगोदर सॉल्व केलेलं नाही आणि जे लिहिणार आहेत त्यांनी माझ्या सोबत लिहा म्हणजे अक्षर कळेल. ओके, देन 3600 ओके इज इक्वल टू into 1, so this becomes meter per second. So what is the answer here you have calculated? Tell me, guys.
0.152 centimeter per second.
0.152 centimeter per second. No? Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Anybody else different than this answer? Is there anybody else who has determined answer different answer than this? Is there anybody else? Okay, hope so. There is nobody. Then for diameter D is equal to 0.045 mm. Okay, settling velocity. What is the equation for settling velocity? 418 into bracket SS minus 1 into D square. But here the temperature is given to you different. So you need to add that attachment. What is this? 3t plus 70/100 ना, बरोबर आहे का?
Yes, ma'am.
असंच आहे का? ओके, देन you can put the value here. 418 into bracket SS किती? SS किती घेतला तुम्ही?
2.65.
2.65. Okay. Minus 1 into D. Value of D is 0.045. 45 bracket square. Okay. Into 3 into 25 plus 70/100 bracket complete, and answer of this is, tell me the answer. Is there anybody have calculated this answer? If not, up to this complete write up and then calculate and then tell me the answer.
2.025.
Okay, it's a 2.025 meter per second ना, बरोबर आहे का? हेलो,
Yes, ma'am.
मीटर का mm?
Yeah, ma'am, ma'am.
Mm. Okay, then what will be the answer in centimeter per second square? What will be the answer in centimeter per second square? 0.202 centimeter per second. बरोबर आहे का? 0.0202 बरोबर आहे का?
Yes, ma'am.
देन नेक्स्ट, एक 4-5 जण तुमच्या अनम्यूट करून राहा आणि बोलत राहा बरं. ज्यांनी सॉल्व्ह केलेत त्यांनी तरी कमीत कमी बोलत राहा. एक जणांनाच फक्त सांगितलं पाहिजे असं काही नाहीये. दिस क्लास शुड बी द पार्टिसिपेटिव्ह क्लास. Okay, now here you can find out the percentage. Percentage of settled is equal to, now here it is settling velocity of particle is 0. I will not write the formula again now. Settling velocity of the particle is equal to 0.02 upon settling velocity of the tank is 0.152 into 100. किती आली settling velocity? किती आली settling velocity? हाँ, आकांक्षा, पूनम, अंजुमन, बोला पट. हाँ, किती आली?
1.89.
1.89.
132.8.
into 100 राहिले 132.89.
132% we can say. 132% we can say. Okay, means 100% particles. It is more than 100%, no? Particles of diameter D is equal to 0.045 mm will settle down in a tank. Okay, likewise we can calculate the settling velocity for diameter D is equal to 0.03 mm. Okay, same, Vs is equal to 418 into bracket 2.6765 minus 1 into bracket complete into bracket 0.03 mm bracket square, another bracket 3 into 25 plus 70/100. Okay, so this calculation is, what is the answer? What is the answer?
3 centimeter per second.
किती?
0.090.
0.09. Okay, असंच ना,
Yes, ma'am.
centimeter per second. Okay, now from this you can up to here, please everybody please write down up to here. Okay, here itself I will write. If I change the page, you will not be able to see where I have written. So here again you can find out settling percentage of particles settled at diameter d is equal to 0.03 mm is equal to 0.09 upon 0.152 into 100 is equal to, सांगा,
59.21.
59.21%. Okay, so you can write down the sentence. 59.21% particle will settle down in a sedimentation tank when diameter is equal to 0.035 mm, 0.03 mm. Okay, I hope you understood how to solve this example. Those who have not copied can copy it faster, so we can go to the next point. Okay, so the last point we will cover today. After this, okay, shall we start the next point? Okay, so this is about the sedimentation tank. Now we will see what Nikita returned. 5,500. Okay, that may be the earlier question answer. Okay. So I will share the slides now. I have solved the same examples over here also. One more type of example I think I have written here. We'll just discuss instead of investing time. Simultaneously, if you wish, you can write down. Find the diameter of particle with specific gravity of 1.2 removed in a tank having a specific area, having a surface area of 250 meters square and treating 8 million liter of water per day. Assume temperature 26 degrees Celsius. So it is in a different manner the question is asked. Do you want me to solve this example or explain this example? Or you will may read, show just with this. Okay. See here. So what is the given data? Specific gravity of particle is given to you 1.2. Then A is given to area is given to you 250 meters square. Discharge is given to you 8 into 10 raised to 6 liter per day. 8 million liter. 8 million liter in the sense 8 into 10 raised to 6 liter per day. Okay, 8 million liter of water per day. Then discharge, we can convert it into meter cube per second. Okay. Then we can find out the settling velocity of the sedimentation tank the way just now I told you. 8 million, that is 8 into 10 raised to 6 into 10 raised to minus 3 for the conversion factor from liter to meter cube. 3,600 from hour to second into 250 is the area. Okay, area is 250 meters square. So the answer of settling velocity of the particle is 0.0088 meter per second. Then by applying Stokes law, you can solve by another way, that is Vs is equal to 418 into 2.65 minus 1 into d square into that attachment. Okay, so from that you can find out the settling velocity of the particle as 0.00036. Sorry, diameter. Here, yes, what was the change in earlier? Here it is asked, find the diameter of particle with specific gravity of this. Means all other parameters given to you and asked to find out the which diameter particles are settled down. So that can be determined by using the same equation. We can put equation settling velocity we have determined already here. Okay, settling velocity. Then from that by put the value of settling velocity and find out the diameter, and that will be 0.01 19 mm. Okay, so simple. This is possible by changing the direction. Now we'll turn towards the next point. As per the shape, sedimentation tank class can be classified into two types. That is rectangular basin. You can see rectangular basin will look like this. And another one is double deck rectangular basin. How the double deck rectangular basin? This is again section only. Okay, so you can send your water at the bottom, and this must be segregated, bifurcated by adding a wall in between. Okay, this will be a slab. So what happens? Forcefully you are allowing to enter the water through this way, and hence it will push toward the upward direction because the exit is available over here. But when the particle is being pushed in this direction, the velocity of the particle starts getting reduced, and hence the particle will settle down at the bottom here, whatever possible, and those are smaller which are not settled down here will flow along with the water in the forward direction, but they will not be able to remain in a suspension form till this. So these particles will settle down in the second floor. That's why this kind of design is known as the double deck rectangular basin. Okay, you can say it is a double deck rectangular basin. So this one is the single. Earlier we saw is the single deck rectangular basin. Okay, or simply you can say it is a rectangular sedimentation tank. And here, to increase the efficiency of existing sedimentation tank, you can convert it into double deck rectangular basin set type of sedimentation tank. Okay. Now, the next one is the circular sedimentation tank, or we can say it is a vertical sedimentation tank. Here, you are allowing to enter the water. Let me erase the earlier part. You can see here, you are allowing to enter the water at the center, means in a vertical direction. Water is entering in a vertical direction and slowly it is falling down into this tank and will be moving towards the periphery. It will be keep on moving towards the periphery, but the outlet has been provided at this upper layer or the at the top of the surface. Hence, the movement of the water will be towards this side to get exit. But at the same time, water particle will move upward, but the particles present into that will not be able to move upward. And hence, that will start settling down towards the bottom and the objective of sedimentation gets achieved. Okay, so this is about the circular sedimentation tank, or we can say it is a vertical sedimentation tank. Okay, if you have any question, you can ask me. Otherwise, please draw these three figures little fast. Have you completed this one? Shall I show you the next slide? Okay, draw this one. Little fast, guys, and keep on answering me so we can proceed. No.